What's up, everybody? So we made it to Angeles Crest Highway. Right now we're trying to figure out where to go because Cooper Canyon is closed. They just closed it. I don't know why it's a roadblock, but we'll see right now. So we're trying to figure out where we're gonna camp. I think Valley Forge we're gonna hike to. So we'll see. We're on our way to Valley Forge. We found a campsite. This is my buddy Eric.
Hey guys.
He is part of Felix Ventures. He's the program director. And I'm tagging along, helping out, drive the kids down here and get a free workout in.
Yeah, we got 16 kids with us. They're all hiking up ahead. Had to take the fire road because part of Highway 2 is closed down, and we had to make a change to our program. Instead of Cooper Canyon, we're doing Valley Forge today. That's still gonna be nice.
Yeah, so today I'm hiking down with them, and then I'm going hiking back up by myself, and then come back tomorrow to pick up the kids again. So I'm probably gonna hike back down with them. So yeah, so this is a little check-in right now. So we'll get some more footage.
We've done 2 miles in 1 hour.
2 miles in 1 hour, that's how you say it. This is my first hiking vlog. So
we're going 2 miles an hour.
So we're going 2 miles an hour. That's that's slow as hell. Well, my phone can tell me how fast we're going actually. All right, guys. So we've been hiking, duration 53 minutes, elevation 3,642, distance 2.35 miles. It's not that bad. Let's see, how fast are we going? Oh, it usually tells me, the phone tells me.
Yeah. But for sure about
3 miles.
3 miles an hour?
3 miles an hour. It's not telling you what, when we get there, your average speed was. Valley Forge. Let Mishka get wet. Pretty nice. Oh, I'm gonna eat shit. So I'm not gonna use my Canon camera. I'd rather use my cell phone because I have insurance on my cell phone, not on my DSLR. But yeah, look a homegirl dunk her head in there. Yeah, Mishka. Valley Forge Trail Camp. Nice stream. I'm gonna take her off. Fuck it. Let me walk. Let me walk. Good girl. Okay, so I left the group behind us already for tomorrow because they're sleeping over. They're camping out in a beautiful Valley Forge camp trail. Mishka and I are heading back home to Chino Hills, and then tomorrow I'll be back to pick them up. All right, so I decided to get out of the 4Runner and check out the view over the hill, and I opened up my Red Bull. My first time trying this Red Edition cranberry. Freaking good. I am really surprised. I'm super surprised. But guys, I'm a Subaru ambassador, and if you guys want some free gear, hit me up. Got some canteens right here. This is a, what is it? How many ounces? think it's a 24 ounce. This is a 24 ounce canteen. Also, I have a bigger one right here. Hit me up, guys. I have free gear to hand out. When I go on camping trips or hiking trips, I have extra stuff with me to hand out. So, it's a Mercedes. I like Mercedes. Just like motorcycles, I cannot tell them apart like Ferraris. Like, I don't know what model they are. E something, whatever. But I'm usually a NOS drinker, energy drink. But the Red Bull was on sale. Buy 2, get 1 free. $5. $5.25 I think it was, or whatever, for 3. 12 ounce. That's a good deal. I know a deal when I see a deal, but I'm usually a NOS energy drinker. But I wanted to try this out. Got the random flavors, and pretty bomb. Are these the rice rockets? Coming down. We'll see right now. But I bet you a lot of people looked up and see if the road was open or closed. So many times I've been up here, so many cars driving by. So many, but since the road is closed, maybe that's why. But I've been looking at 88 Rotors off-road, and they've been doing all the 4Runners and stuff, and I want to do it so bad, but time and money, gotta wait a little bit longer. But if you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, it will help me modify my 4Runner and do some reviews on it. If you guys know any companies who are test fitting stuff, comment them below. Hit me up if you're test fitting, that you want to test out a new roof rack, an exhaust system. I have a 5th gen Toyota 4Runner SR5. Yes, it's a 4x2. I explained that in my video, my previous video that you'll see if you view my YouTube channel. But I didn't think of myself going off-roading and stuff. I go on trails and stuff, but I didn't think that I was going to do that soon. But I took this on a trail already. I enjoyed it so much that I want to do it now. So, yes, it's a 4x2, but it killed it. I went up Lytle Creek. No problem. No problem. With stock tires, too. Stock tires, not even all-terrain. No damages, nothing. Beautiful. So, probably TRD wheels. Tires, do not know yet. Probably TRD wheels. Tires, I do not know. I've been looking at a lot of Bilstein coilovers for shocks, and then the springs and stuff like that. I do not know yet. But when I do it, I'm gonna ask them, hey, is it good for this? Is it good for that? I know I'm not gonna be going on rocks and going mudding and stuff, but you know, just hit the trail, like camping stuff. It'd be pretty cool. I do not like Volkswagens. When you see the Volkswagens, the GTI, whatever it is, the R34s, when you hear like R34, I think of Skylines. The name is just, I don't know, that's my opinion. Don't like Infiniti, G35s, G37s, don't like them, in my opinion. You should just rather get a Z, 350Z. And Volkswagen, I don't know, all my friends who had Volkswagens, they always broke. So, but yeah, just me rambling on.